Alright, so I'm gonna be replacing this dash cluster climate control bezel with this one. It's in better condition. It's just a little dirty, but everything is all there. Mine is perfectly fine. It's just I am missing this little piece right here, but it works perfectly fine. But that's gonna be bothering me every time I look at it. So gonna be replacing that. One thing I need to do before I start replacing that, I'm gonna have to clean this one up for sure, because as you can see, it is pretty dirty. So gonna clean that first, and then I'm gonna install it. Let's get to it. I'm gonna clean this right here, Papa. Yeah, okay. Get a scrub this right here. Look at it like this. Do you want to try it? Yeah. Hey, Ethan. What are you doing? Huh? Don't open it. Don't open it. You want to come in here? Yeah? Don't open it. Don't open it. Leave it there. Hold on. I'll let you in there now, but hold on.
Dad.
What happened?
What did our old house look like when we didn't move into this house?
What does it look like?
Yeah. It looks like Yana's house. Dad.
Yep.
Me and my sister started crying me and my sister started crying to our bed.
Hold on, Papa.
Woo.
I want to be pretty gentle with this so you don't break it. Oops. I'll find that after. That's fine, Bubba. Watch out. Let me see. It's pretty funny. I said you're gonna be gentle, and then shit went flying back. Don't want to lose that. Okay, so it should be pretty loose from here. I'm gonna pop this off. Same way I popped off this. Oh man, never mind. My bad. Take this off first. This. this, or my understanding should pop right up. Loose just now. Okay, I'm gonna have to take this off because this is gonna bother me. Okay, let me see if there's a fucking screw in there.
Wow. Take this thing.
Hold on, Bubba. There is a screw inside here.
You're gonna pop that off.
Just like that, it comes out. Okay, so there's another one right here, and there was another one right there. So let's get this one popped off. Get that out of the way. Put that up there so it's not lost. Let's see how. Oh, it's coming out, you guys. Just like that.